In this video, I'll show you how to stream on Discord with sound. It's going to be a full guide video. Make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. The very first thing you need to do, make sure your microphone is currently turned on. So I'm going to do this. You can see our microphone is currently on. So what you need to do now, go to your Discord. Click on this general. You're going to be able to see there's this red icon at the below. So make sure it's currently turned on. Make sure it's turned on. So once it is turned on, click on Join Voice. So from this Join Voice option, you can be able to see a whole lot of these options. Make sure that red icon is currently turned on. Because if it is turned on, you can be able to record your voice with sound here on Discord. So also you can also just swipe up. Once you swipe up, you're going to be able to see some other options as well. So you can see share your screen there, you can see soundboard. So make sure that red icon is turned on, right? So make sure it's turned on for you to be able to stream with sound here on your Discord. If you're using your PC, your mobile. So this is basically how you can be able to do this. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video.